Hello friends, welcome to Intuites.
Let's begin the class.
Or do semester.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here I have not seen this matplotlib library, so I don't have the time. But one thing we can do on this time that suppose you want to show the percentage value, how much percentage is there. Then there is a parameter on this last one that is called comma or to percentage equals, there is a syntax. Let me write it first. 1.05 percentage dot percentage. I think so. I'm not wrong. Let's PD is notified. I think the session got disconnected. I need to run each and every line code now. This is bad. Let me check. This is run. One second. CP. Let's try that. Okay, it is running, but somehow you can just look it for this parameter, the auto percentage amount. Okay, you can just check it out how we can percentage. I'm not getting the exact how which I want, but anyway, this is the parameter which you can use for your percentage amount. Okay, this is fine. Okay, I will check it. Now, next question which I uh, want to do it here in this case is which product sold most and why? This is the only question I can do it today. I have the power, but anyway, I don't have in my home. I don't know whether I can survive. But let's see. Okay. Now, this is my data. So, which product sold most and why? Okay. So, this is the one I need to answer. What is it? It's all about? Can somebody explain me this?
Can you please open that file, sir? Sales.ftr.
Hmm. Okay, let's one minute. All dot. Yeah, good.
It total quantity ordered
So
for the
somehow the month is, yeah, month
for
is
the
also not coming. One second, one second. I think this file got somehow mismatched. Let me just create it one more time. 1 minute. We have load this. Then we do this. Okay. Somehow whatever I have done now is gone due to I think now we are good. I think. Yeah, go ahead now.
So it's the total quantity of ordered for a particular product.
Total
Uh,
quantity for one product. Correct. That's correct. Yeah. So how we can do it in this case? And here it is something like we want to get the sum of quantity. Okay, how much quantity I have done, and average for the price.
Group by
I want to
product.
come. So two things I want to calculate here. First is my sum of quantity order and average of price each for the product. Okay. Then I can compare these two, that how many products I have and how many this one I have. The average order sales, how much I have. That I can compare these two, so that I can compare which sold most and why it's so. Right. So that's what I want to
Why
do.
do we need average price?
Yeah. So when you are comparing a quantity and a price, right? So in the sense, what I'm talking about in the sense, so in your company, right? So you are running a retail company, right? So here I'm saying how you can increase your number of orders based on the price. That's what I'm taking here. Like if the price is low, the number of orders will be high, because that's a tendency of every customer that they should get the product at a lesser price compared to others. So that's what, right. Any e-commerce
Yes,
site or any site you go there, they put a offer, right? Like seasonal sales or
yes,
Amazon Big Billion Days or whatever may be. So they put a sales for you, right? And
yeah,
they don't allow the customer to go to different competition, right? So that's what the things is like. The
yeah,
price is how much, okay? The average price for a particular time. What is the average price? So that I can compare. Yes, is it a seasonal business for me? Whether it's a price is when price is decreasing or increasing, how much the order I'm getting. So I need to compare these two so that I can compare which products sold must and why. You can take this approach, or you can take another approaches to the sales as well also. Like if the sales is highest for a product, you can say
yeah,
this product sold most. Okay, these
yes.
two approach. I'm doing the first approach. You can take the second approach as well. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Now one more comment. I think you know this. So if I say all data called columns, what will give you?
What is the question, sir?
Now you are seeing my screen.
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. I'm saying if I execute this command, all data dot columns, what I will get it.
Column names.
Column names. Like this one. Okay. This is the also one more way. to see the what are the columns I have in my data frame. Okay. Now my thing is, just think and tell me, I want to do a sum of quantity order and I want to do the average of price each. How I will do it at one go. I explain you this one in the group by.
We'll take the group by of product.
Okay. Then
DF of quantity order dot sum
and
function.
average of price each.
Average is again DF of price each is of average function.
Okay, so we're going to say two lines you need to write, right?
And our end.
And end is comparison, right?
Yes, sir. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, until
Mhm.
that sum of the quantity ordered, I'm sure.
Okay. What about others? Speak up, please. Hello.
Yeah, we will get someone by quantity, we will get average.
How I will get it? My question is that one. Please can you tell me the syntax? Okay. Anyway, so let's take I'm creating another data frame for this. My signing count underscore df equals to all underscore data dot group by. Anyway, you need to do the group by only for, let's take for my product PRODUC. That's what you need to do it. Okay. Now here at one go, I want to do the sum of quantity order and average of price. So I have a function, right? AGG. You remember? Inside that we
Aggregation.
can put,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, we can put a dictionary, right? Something like
yeah, yeah.
this.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, got it. So quantity order PRET. Then I can put a key, this is key and this is a del. Okay. Then comma. Then I can say
Price each
price each.
dot
Then I can
average.
put
AVG.
min, not
Me-
average.
Yeah.
Min.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now if I do that, min is not defined.
If after mean, we have to keep the
No,
brackets.
I've given the bracket.
Dot mean,
This is just give me
so, bracket in the sense sum and that round brackets.
round bracket. I have no aggregate one.
No, after sum and after mean, don't we need to keep?
No, that's not required. Or you mean to say it like this? Oh, what happened to this? Oh, you mean like this? You are saying? No, I don't think so.
Yes, sir.
This was it?
Yes, sir. No.
No, it's not like that. It's directly only. Somehow the mean is not behaving. Mean is not defined. Mean is not defined.
Sir,
Okay.
instead of
So
semicolon, can you try dot? No.
sorry.
Instead of semicolon.
Yeah, it works.
Uh, yeah.
So actually, the main function is from the NumPy. Okay, NumPy package. So I need to keep np dot main. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's say count here. So this is the data I'm getting it in this one. This data frame have quantity order and prices for each product. Okay, this is what we have. This is the way you can get it. You can use anything here. Okay,
Yes.
mean, max, or mean is the function which will give the average, which is coming from the NumPy library. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, so you can give some max anything. The only problem here in this case is I have got three columns. Okay, I got the product, I got the sum of quantity for that particular source. So this two in monitor. The number of orders is 4126 and price is 109. Average price is 109.99. Okay, we got it. The only problem I'm seeing here is that the product which is supposed to be a column is becoming an index. So actually this is an index, it's not a column because it is a highlighted in a black color, right? So this is like a index rather than a column. Okay. So what exactly we need to do here in this case? I know to product needs to be a column for the data frame and index I need to set it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. How it should be. Right? If you see here, previously the data frame, how it looks like. All are the columns, order ID, product, everything. And index is this much only, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But here, my product becomes a index. It happens, okay? It happens, but we need to reset the index. Okay, how we can reset the index? I will say count underscore df. This is my data frame, right? The system should know this. And equals to count underscore df dot reset index. Reset underscore index. If you run this, what will happen is of your data frame, the index will be reset and it will come to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the product will become a column. Okay, let's run this. Now, if you run the count here, you'll get, let's see the difference. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this become a now the index becomes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all. My product is a column, my quantity order, and my prices. Okay.
Yep. Sir, I have a doubt. When you are
Good.
grouping it, um, it didn't come in a sorted order.
Which sorted order?
Quantity ordered.
Because I have not provided any sorting order, right? In this one, we need to do a sort if you want to do it. Yeah. Go ahead. Any question? What are you saying?
Yeah, to know the highest, to know the which product got sold more, we need the
Hmm.
sorted order for the, I mean, for the
Ha.
quantity ordered. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Correct. Yes. You can do a sort on top of this, but I will try to take this with a graph kind of thing, plot. Okay. Let's see how I can do that. Okay, for you.
Yeah.
I'm not very much good at all these things. Okay, but let's see. On the matplotlib and the one I'm not that good, but let's try that. Okay. So I'm
Okay.
taking two variables here. Okay. So the first is my figure, in the sense the amount, and I'm saying x is 1 equals to there is a function, I think. Okay. There is a matplotlib PLT is there. Okay. You can say. So basically, we want to create a dual axis chart. In the sense, on both side I want to show it the average and all these things. So I'll say PLT dot subplots, I think. Let me check subplot or plots. I think subplots. Okay. Subplots is the first one. Then I'll say axis 1, axis 2 equals to axis 1 dot. Let me first write it and I'll explain you, okay?
Okay.
Doing X, I think. Hmm. Yes. Okay. Now, if you see here, we are getting two bars. No, first I plot. I take two variables, the figure and the axis, and I'm doing a subplots for that, and I'm creating axis 1 dot 2 index. 2 index means two side will be there. So this is x, and this is y, and this is z. Okay. So what I will do, I will take product here and the price here, and suppose the total order here. So I can compare both the sides. That's what I'm planning to do. Okay.
Okay.
So now what I need to do here. So let's take the axis 1. Okay. On the axis 1, I need to create a bar chart. Dot bar. Okay. So I will take my count What is the frame name? Count underscore df. Yes. Count underscore df. Okay. Then I
Product.
will take product. Yes. Product is the first one. Then I will say comma count underscore df quantity order. Let's do quantity order ERED. Let me check the spelling as well. Yeah, this is okay. Quantity ordered. Okay. Now enter. Now axis2 dot plot. Then I will say product. In axis2 will be the product, and it will be the count of
Price each.
DF of price each. Exactly. Instead of this, I will say price each. Price. Are you following me, everybody? What I'm trying to do here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now if I run this, now what is the quantity ordered? ORDERED. ORDER. That's only, no?
Sir, you're missing T.
Where?
Quantity ordered. No.
Okay. Yeah, if you see here now, we're getting a kind of things. Okay. So we'll change it, two things. But this is the two things we are getting, both sides graphs. This is called the dual axis charts. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
now let's change few things. Let's take, I can put a color also here. Oh, parameter equals to color equals to, let's take blue. Let's run this. Yeah, it's become a blue. Okay. And this one, let's take color equals to green. Line one. So this is the way I'm just representing. Okay, makes sense? And few things I can change it now. Let's try that. Okay. So the first one is that on the axis one, okay, I have a function from set x set, I think city underscore x tick levels. Yeah, set underscore x tick levels. Okay, this I need to use it. There's a function called x underscore set x tick tick level. So if you want to do changes to the levels of your any axis, right? So I can use the x axis, whatever the things we get underscore set x tick levels. Okay. So because the if you see here, the products are very, it's not good, right? It's not good.
Yeah.
So I have to change it this one. So I will say let's take products. Heading here, products equals to count underscore df of product, okay, dot values. Okay, if I run this and let's try that. Okay, argument, positional argument. One second, let me check this. 1 second, whether I'm getting this correct or not. I'm getting it, no? If I say this one dot values, I'm getting in a string, right? All the products like this. Hmm. That I want to display as my products. Okay. So where I'm doing a mistake here. Mhm. So I just want to display the products also this much. So this is just a value. Okay. Maybe I'm missing something here. So, mm, type argument levels. Okay. This products. One second, let me check this. Huh? Just give me a second.
Yeah. Okay.
So, yeah, I'm getting it actually. Then why I'm not able to pass that information into this? Output we are getting it actually. Okay, let's try one more thing here. Using that rotation, I think goes to vertical. Yeah, now it is getting. Yeah, okay. So somehow it was not coming. So you can just create a something like this variable. Or you can use directly this also. Okay, inside this parameter. But I created this one. So what else I'm doing from the data frame, I'm taking all the values for the product. So it will come as a string normally. All this data. Then I'm passing this to x level, and I'm saying rotation equals to vertical, so that I can get some data here. So now if you see, my x-axis has become all the products. Okay,
Mm.
got
Okay,
it?
sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now we can do one more thing as well. Let's take on the axis one dot that, and I can put set uh, underscore y level. Y level is y level. I'll say this order. I'm just putting a label here. Okay. If you see there now, if your graph, it's not like which is order and which is average price, right? Right now. Okay. So I'm just putting a label for this. If you run this now, you will get here. This is my order. Okay. And same way I can put it for other also. I can say axis dot set y level, and I can say here it's called average price per product. Average price per product. Okay, now if you run this, I think we will get some information at least. Got it? Yeah,
Yeah, yes, sir.
did that make sense? This is
Yeah.
good.
Yes.
So, right. And again, you can do one more thing as well. Maybe here or something. Let's try to analyze now. If you see here by seeing that, if you see this bar, this product, easily we are able to see it. So let's take an example of your what's the name? Double A batteries, the 4 pack, double A batteries 4 pack. Okay. So here, if you see the double A batteries, their price is very high. The number of orders is very high. Why? Because their average price is very low. So they are getting, the customer is getting in a very low price. You see here, directly you can showcase to the customer. So near about 30,000 of number of orders happened for these 2 batteries. Okay, and the price is near about I think 2000 or something 250 range, due to 250 range, very less. And if you see here, others are very less because their price are very high. You see here these 2 products, their price are very high. Okay, that's why their sales is very less for them. Okay, you are able to identify here.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
kind of analysis you can do on your own, and we can showcase to the customer. Okay, just give me a second. I will assign couple of questions to you on the same one. You can try it out. Okay, just I'm stopping sharing. Just give me a second. Okay,
Okay. Yep.
so yeah, just give me a second. That these questions, I think we need to answer it. So first question is okay. So these are the 2 questions. Let's note it down. We will do it. The first question is the trend of most sold product. What is the trend? Okay, whether that is uh, going far on, just Google it. Like the sense, just try to analyze what exactly I'm talking about here. Okay, trend of most sold products and what products sold together. These are the 2 questions you need to answer from this data set. Whatever you are using here, the same thing we can do it. Okay, all right now. Hello.
So, what do you mean? What product sold together means?
Ha. Just take to the data. I'm not saying anything. Like I'm not explaining anything in this one. So that we need to analyze what I'm talking about.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just take a time, take a break, check the data, what exactly it is all about, then what I'm talking about. Okay.
Oh,
All right.
okay, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. And once you complete this will be a small project. Then I am giving another data set if you're interested. That is for your 2 things. One is the YouTube analysis. In YouTube, right? Suppose if you are going to a particular video, there you can put some comments. You are putting a good comment, bad comments. So how much the search is happening, all these things. If you want to do it, I can do it for you. And second one, which I want you to do, that is called, I have another data set which I downloaded from the Fiddle. That is called the IPL data. Like you are guys are following the cricket, right? IPL tournament. So that analysis also you can do it if you want. If you're interested, I can give it. If
Yes, sir.
you're okay with this, yeah, then it's fine. That's your effort, guys. I'm saying. How
So,
much you want to take it?
along with the
Sorry.
data sets, would you be giving the questions for? I mean, what we need to
Yeah.
like?
First,
What is
just
the
finish it up
challenges?
this. Yeah. First, finish up these 2 questions so that your the sales data analysis will be completed. Okay. Then we can
Okay,
switch
sir.
into the other one. Okay. Yeah. And
Okay,
see
sir.
what I'm saying. You want to how much you want to take it from me? This is your choice. Because if you are interested more, I can give more. Okay, that's fair, right? If I think that you are not, you are okay. you stuck it here, only one not want to come out, then I will also make a boundary there. Simple as that. Okay. So please try to do that if you are more interested. And I can give on the last class of the Python, I can give you a platform as well that we can practice more problems of the Python.
Okay,
So
sir.
nowadays Python is very important. And after doing all these things, we can target for a Python developer as well, rather than stick to a big data developer like the Azure Cloud. If any requirement comes up for only for the Python, go ahead. Okay, you can try it out. Python SQL are very important nowadays. Okay. So on
Sir,
that
Yeah.
note,
I have one doubt, sir.
So
Like,
can you mention any other website for practice?
I'll do it. I'll do it. Let's first practice this much only, then I will give you. Don't worry. Let's finish it up whatever we're doing in the class. That is also too much. First of all, complete this. I will definitely give. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Samir, I have some doubt in Panda's assignment. Can I ask now?
Assignment solution I will post it today, I think. And post to this, you just compare yourself. And till you have a doubt, then we'll. Okay.
Okay. Okay, Samir.
And NumPy assignment solution you need. Yes.
I sent it, I submitted it.
No. I'm like you need the solution
Yes, sir. Yeah.
to compare it. Okay. So both the stuffs I will provide you, and you can do that. Okay. So tomorrow, let's complete this too. If you've not done it, then I'll post the solution for the class. And tomorrow, let's do some like database connectivity in the Python and few stuffs, the ETL stuffs which you can target on the Python that I will cover it up. And from the next, I think tomorrow is what day? Tomorrow is which day? Thursday, right? For me to Thursday. So,
Wednesday for us.
yeah.
Yeah, Wednesday.
Yeah, so day after tomorrow we'll start the basic, the very important topic which is going on now. That is called Azure Cloud Engineering, data engineering, like the Databricks, ADF, synops, and everything. Okay, that I will start from scratch. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. I think I'm done for today.